Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will talk about real-time use of dates between function. So dates between function is very important time intelligence function in DAX. We will see the real-time use of it. So here you can see this is our orders table, and in orders table we have ship date. Okay, so the ship date is from 2011 to 2015 data. So what we will do, we will calculate. We will take a particular time period, like 3 or 4 months. In that 4 months, I need top five dates. Top five dates in which dates the uh, profit was the highest. Okay, top five date of highest profit. So let's see how we do it. So here you can see I have created a DAX for it. Top 5 profitable dates in between two dates. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken a variable called top 5 dates. Okay, in top 5 dates we have taken the dates between function. In dates between function, first there is a date column. What is the date column? Orders of ship date. Okay, and then starting date. Starting date is 2012, 1st of January 2012, and ending date, it is this ending date is April of 30 April of 2012. So we have taken in this variable. Okay, now it will return top n. We know top n returns a table. Okay, top n returns a table. It will create a 5 dates table. Okay, it will create 5 rows of 5 dates. Okay, then value is top 5. Then it is like this. You can see it needs value. Okay, it needs table. So what is the table? Table is, we have created this one, right? This dates between is creating a table. Okay, this dates between function creating a table of starting date and ending date. Okay, so now top n is going to get this table, top 5 dates. Okay, from this table we will count top 5 dates. Okay, and what will be the value? Value is total profit. It will counting total profit, top 5 total profit, then the order will be descending. Okay, so if I run this, we will get this table. Here you can see this is the table. You can see uh, it is coming from March and April. Okay, these 5 dates we have got, which has top 5 profit. Okay, top 5 profit. So this is how we do calculation. It is the real-time use of dates between function. Like this we create in projects also. So if you like this video, please like it, share it among your friends. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it, support to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you.